The error code La on a Kenmore washer indicates that the control board has detected the drive motor is struggling to spin the tub. This issue can be caused by overloading the washer, using too much detergent, an obstructed spin basket, or a faulty drive motor. To resolve the issue, start by checking the load inside the washer and removing some clothes to ease the load. If there are excessive suds, allow the washer to sit for at least 30 minutes to let the foam clear. Then run a drain cycle to reduce the detergent and begin a new cycle. Next, rotate the spin basket by hand. If it doesn't rotate smoothly, open the door, remove the clothes, and run a drain cycle to empty the washer. After unplugging the washer from the power supply, try rotating the spin basket by hand again. If the rotation is still not smooth, it's possible that something is stuck beneath, and a professional should be contacted to help remove the material. However, if the spin basket rotates smoothly, the issue may be with the drive motor, in which case a professional should be contacted for further inspection and assistance.